tension and chaos that has escalated during the past few days with an incident of stone pelting at Mawlai, starting from Mawlai Nongkwar right up to Mawlai Yoronghep, has now sobered down. Well, as you can see behind me, there is the CRPF camp at Jinking Mawlai. Well, on the 16th of August, some of the representatives and traditional heads of Mawlai town had met the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, to apprise him of the situation in Mawlai constituency. Well, the talks had resulted in a positive note wherein the Chief Minister, in the presence of the Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinsong, has assured the Mawlai people that the process will immediately take place, wherein the CRP camp at Mawlai, Jinking Mawlai, and also the one at the Arts and Culture Department land at Mawlai Nongkwar would be soon shifted to another location, which would be in the interest of both the CRPF personnel and also the interest of the people of Mawlai. The traditional heads of Mawlai town Dorbar have also conducted a meeting wherein discussions are on about the current situation in the entire constituency. Well, here in Mawlai with camera person Refulgent, this is Bethlyn Dakar for Media Plus Shillong. The state government on the 16th of August 2021 had announced the constitution of a peace committee that would be headed by the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Preston Tinsong, and that would include the cabinet ministers Hamletson Doling and Renikton L. Tongkhar. The committee would also co-opt members from the civil society that would include religious heads, local headmen and Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong, as well as other civil society members that the committee feels necessary to do so. Meanwhile, the local headmen and pressure groups of Mawlai had met for a discussion on the current situation in the area. The coordinator of the Mawlai town Dorbar, HERLAMBOK War, informed that one of the decisions taken during the meeting was to not be part of the peace committee constituted by the government unless action is taken towards police personnel involved in the recent encounter that led to the death of CHERISTERFIELD THANGKHIEW.
Kani kajing thao ini ke committee, ke peace committee. Kajing ilang hibaro kawai kasno. Bayamenta ngin nampat simbenta hagani ke peace committee. Kadau golong balada ompatlah ban suspend. Lani ban book ban wanra yek tu gibrio. Kibasim ya kajing im kajong ba CHERISTERFIELD. Ompatlah ban pensitom yeki ngisngau bakam pat don jenggot kene ka peace committee ka bangi ngi thrang bani iri jeng songso kumjoru hagbai dai bagania ngi lai kut ngi rai bangin sange swa tak hadu bangi i baya yakini kibrio kibale ngi ka kam ladet penshitom yaki.
The Mawlai town Dorbar also felt that it is not necessary for the government to deploy men in uniform in the whole of Mawlai area, but instead it should empower the local headmen to handle the law and order situation so it does not provoke further commotion and incite violence amongst the youth of the area.
Ngi don kam yegi jim ku buar yegi Dorbar Shillong sai sen pan ni appeal sa deputy commissioner sa district administration baya kum bakalong manta smobha banumpat ha yaginu kino ki police ki ban ya patrolling hak Shillong Mawlai bat kum bakalong manta halak jong Shillong ngin simkhia banwan ra ya songsu songsai bat kum juro khamtam ha ka por mi por yong ka ba pui manta armi boro ki senglong mi kiseng samla kinong kitam Shillong tlai yang surok ban parang kajing kerpat kalong dakani kajing alang boro kirang Shillong ringkat bat kiseng halang ringkat kiseng samla mulai tulung ni kerpat ikon samla bat ngin ai kajing kumla sibit haman nang Shillong baki kinumi shaban la kijong kidong lani la kijong ki locality kindon hala kijong Shillong bat kumjuru ni kerpat igwe pa ki bomdei na bar jong kashnong mulai bakin kiak ban le umta happening ini kipor ye ki bakni kum kashnong ni simti ban pe bagasuk kasan kan galak kashnong mulai